Gilas Pilipinas coaches are facing a challenging decision regarding sa selection of players para sa official lineup natin sa 2023 FIBA World Cup. With just over a week left for their preparation, Gilas head coach Chot Reyes dreads the moment when he and the team will make their decisions. Ibabase sa performance ng players sa tatlo nilang huling tune-up game kung sino ang makakapasok sa final lineup. Suportado naman ito ni SBP President Al Panillo. Naiintindihan daw niya kung bakit last minute ang announcement ng final lineup.
So I know other countries have done so, but I think it's very hard for the coaches to really make the decision. I think based on those games, I think it will really solidify in the coaches' minds the final 12.
Dagdag pa niya ay malaki daw ang in-improve ng team. Mas aggressive daw ang Gilas on the defensive end at makikita raw ito during their game sa China.
If you watch the games in China, I saw a different team competing there, especially on the defensive end. In fact, when I saw practice the other day, they were grabbing Jordan. Grab dito, ganyan. Ganon ang FIBA. Sa PBA, maybe NBA, foul yun. But in FIBA, it's not. But he was not complaining.
Kaninang pasado alas 4 ng hapon, Ivory Coast arrive at NAIA Terminal 3 to set up their final tune-up game against Gilas. Magandang tune-up ito for Gilas as they can simulate and experience African basketball since makakatapat nila ang Angola sa Group A. Inaasahan din mamayang 6:40 PM lalapag ang team ng Montenegro sa bansa. Makaka-tune up sila ng Gilas on Sunday to simulate European style of basketball in preparation for their game against Italy. Kasama sa lineup ng Montenegro ang NBA veteran na si Nikola Vucevic na naglalaro for Chicago Bulls. Samantala, dama hanggang Davao ang World Cup fever. Umikot kasi dito ang top prize ng World Cup na Naismith Trophy. It made stops at the Giant Durian, People's Park, and even had a courtesy call with Mayor Baste Duterte and Vice Mayor Melchor Kitain Jr. Present din ang former Asia's best point guard na si Jason Castro sa pag-ikot ng trophy sa Davao. Kasabay niyan, aprobado na rin ng Kamara ang panukalang batas na gawing National Basketball Month ang April. Binibigyang pansin nito ang popular sport sa bansa, kasama ang mga positibong bunga nito sa kultura at sa lipunan. Mobile Journal Ivan Tanigi po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.
Gusto mo bang lagi kang updated sa mga balita? Aba, ay simple lang. Mag-subscribe ka na dito sa 1PH. I-click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell para hindi ka nahuhuli sa mga balitang dapat mong malaman.